Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do a quick Grove haul. I made a smallish order probably about a week ago. I missed the spring scents they just released. So if you guys are interested, I always put my referral link down below. I do get a bit of a kickback if you use it, but they do have right now all of the spring scents, which I think is, what are they? Mint, peony, and lilac, I think, are the three new ones. And they also have a lot of cute new like Grove products that they put out, like the flower design on some of their Grove products that you can buy, like they're Grove made or made by Grove, however you want to say that. But it's 7 free products, and if you go back to some of my former videos, I kind of go over what you get: a Miss Meyers spray, dish soap, hand soap, I believe the scrubbers, the walnut scrubbers, a cleaning bucket, and then you also get 2, let's see, is it a sprayer, a glass bottle sprayer, and then some sort of, whatever it might be at the time, a concentrate. So if you want to just check it out just to see what you get, you can just punch in your email and it'll take you like through what you would get, and then you can go from there and see if you're interested or not. But it's a really good deal. It's with a $20 purchase, and you get, I think it's 2 months or 3 months free VIP, free VIP trial, which is free shipping, which for me, the free shipping is kind of what like sealed the deal for me, because I get my cleaning products and they come to my door for free. So it's like a win-win for me, basically. Okay, so if you want more details on that, just ask down below and I'm more than happy to answer. They do have a frequently asked questions on their site, and you can kind of look there if you're unsure of anything. But if you have any questions, you can always ask me, because I can look into it for you. Okay, so with that, let's get on to the haul. It's kind of a smallish haul, but I thought I'd go ahead and just do it anyway. So I love the Method laundry detergent. I have like absolutely fallen in love with it. I've finished probably 3 or 4 bottles of Method liquid detergent, anything, you know, fabric softener, the fabric beads, or not the fabric beads, what do they call them? The fragrance beads. Okay, fragrance beads. I love the ginger mango scent. That is my absolute favorite. So I thought I'd go ahead and try the dryer sheets to see how they work. I read kind of mixed reviews, so I was a little bit apprehensive to give them a try, but I figured, what the hell? Let's give them a try. This came free. They do give you, like, I think 4 free exclusive gifts during the year. So this was one of the gifts: Rooted Beauty Purifying Facial Towelettes, and it comes with 30 towelettes. It's with white tea and I don't know how to say that, but anyways, we are going to try those, or I'm going to try. I always say we, like, I don't know, I guess I figure you guys are like kind of we, you know. The next thing I got is, I thought I'd try and go ahead and see if we could incorporate these into our household. These are the tall kitchen drawstring trash bags, and I thought I would give these a go. We go through trash bags like crazy. So we have 2 cans in our kitchen, like it's in a cabinet, and there's 2 cans in the cabinet. It's like a pull-out type deal. So I thought I'd try that. And then these are brand new. So usually I clean my garbage disposal. Geez, can I speak tonight? I'm doing this at night. I don't usually do it at night. I'm trying to be quiet because our dog is older, and when he hears talking, he starts to bark. So I try to keep it down. But usually I clean my disposals with baking soda and vinegar. But I thought, I saw these and I was like, you know what? Let me just try these. So this is, and the scent sounded really interesting. Thyme with fig leaf. So I was like, I'm like obsessed with anything fig scented. So I was like, you know what? Let's just try these. There's only 12 pods per pack, but these are new. So I just thought I'd try them and see how they worked. I had tried the ones before that you buy from the store, and I never got like that fizzy, like bubbling effect. So I kind of just like brushed those off. I don't know. Okay, so the next thing I got is, I went ahead, I didn't take the tags, not the tags, the tape off, but they always tape everything down really well when they send stuff to you. But this is the Method Ginger Mango Laundry Detergent. I've been through, maybe I've only gone through 1. This lasts a long time. I've been using this since October October or November, and I still don't think I've made it through one. Now the fragrance beads are a different story. I get through those pretty fast, to be honest. So yeah, so I did get a thing of fragrance boosters, and yeah, this just makes your laundry smell amazing. I love the ginger mango scent. I have the beach sage as well, and a few of the others that I'm gonna, as I empty, I'll review them, but they're not quite empty yet. So the next thing I still have the tape on there, sorry. This is the Caldrea Ginger Pomelo dish soap, and I was just interested in trying some of these. So let me see what the scent notes on this is. So this is, let's see, the natural essential oils are grapefruit, ginger, and basil. So let's smell this. Grapefruit, ginger, and basil. Okay, so I do definitely get ginger basil, but grapefruit is very light. The grapefruit is very subdued in there. I do like it though. I thought I'd try some different dish soaps. I'm obsessed with Caldrea, like the line in general. It's just been like really amazing. So I went ahead and grabbed another dish soap. Sorry, the tape is crazy again. This is Tangelo Palm Frond. Try to say that 3 times fast. So this is, let's see, this is lemon, orange, and eucalyptus is what it is described as. Yeah, it's mildly fruity, but it's not overpowering. It's very nice. It's just a pretty scent. I can see getting this in a fragrance, a room fragrance. What do they call these? I have my Gilded Balsam and Birch, my limited edition linen and room spray. I love that scent. That's a great scent. Even though it's not, tape looks yucky. Even though it's not Christmas time anymore, that's still a great scent. So did I, wait, oh no I didn't. I got it in ginger pomelo. Okay, so I did get a linen and room spray in ginger pomelo, or however you pronounce that. And I'm going to try that out just for something different, because I have like I have about 3 different sprays right now, and I just kind of cycle through each of them because I enjoy the scent. I love like spraying them like on my couches before I clean them or whatever, so that works out really nice. Okay, I think that was everything. Like I said, this is a really small order. Yeah, did I get everything? Yeah, okay. So yes, definitely check out their new spring stuff. Like that is definitely on my radar to get at some point, but I'll probably only like end up getting like the mint. I really want to try the mint. A few of you have recommended the mint to me, so I thought I'd try that. And the spring European dishcloths look really cute with the flowers, like the little florals. And I think they have a towel. They're gonna have like a hand towel. I love their towels, use them. In fact, I've replaced all of my other towels with Grove towels because they are like so thick, and like I just love them. So anyways, that is it, you guys. I hope you found something useful here. And if you have tried Grove, let me know what your favorite product is. I know a few of you have commented before, but I'm always interested if you found something new. You guys have actually caused me to purchase quite a few things that you have recommended, so I always like recommendations on things that you like. If you like Caldrea and you like a certain scent, I'd love to know what it is. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.